Good morning, folks. Rob, June Ranch Homestead, but you already know that. Maybe not. Just got a text. Chip drop is coming. Never expected it. Never believed it would happen. Well, it's happening today. So, I got to move stuff for chip drop. Oh boy. Alright, time to get to work. I will link a description down below what chip drop is. Being an area where it normally doesn't happen, it's kind of amazing. So, here we go. Okay, chip drop is happening, full load. I mean, he asked if I wanted them all, and I said, oh yeah. There's some green stuff, but that's fine. A little more. All right. Woodland Service from Grove City, Pennsylvania dropped off the chips. A full 1 ton. I mean, he was well loaded. He had 2 trees in there, so there's a decent pile. It's pretty much all pine and some maple, so that's fine. Chickens are already going looking at it. They're 12 minutes away today, so it's a quick trip for them. All right, I'll keep you up to date if we get more. All right, folks, kind of end of the day. Kid's coming home from school. Yeah, he looks real happy. But hey, chip drop was here. They didn't come back, but it did force us into cutting firewood, so we got out the MS 180C today, and we got about 1.5 face cut. We still have some more slab wood to cut. Let me show you. Well, you've seen the wood slab pile before in a lot of the videos, and we're down to about that. So by the time we're done, I'm thinking we're going to be just shy of a cord of wood, which isn't too bad. But yeah, it's slab wood. Yeah, we got to cut up ourselves. It isn't split. It isn't firewood, but for the amount of money we paid for it to build the one goat shed or bro shed, which it will become, and to have this slab wood left and will burn through the winter, and here coming in fall, it's starting to get cold out, so at night at least. So we'll have some wood ready to go. We'll end up going probably through 2 to 3 cords this winter. But that's about it from today. So we had a chip drop. It finally came around, which is awesome. It's free. You know, give them a tip. You know, 20 bucks. For the amount of wood chips we got, was probably about 8 yards. So pretty happy. We'll have a video coming up shortly of the boiler. We got to clean around and get it right for cold weather, so I'll go over that. It's really cool. Amish made DS coal burner, wood burner, boiler. All right. Talk to you later, folks. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you around. See ya.